Welcome to aminacademy.com and questions how, why and what. In that we'll discuss this question. How does the optical fiber internet work? Let's start out by defining what is the fiber optic network. These high speed communication links are made up of cable containing strands of glass thinner than a human hair that transmits information such as telephone, television, and internet signals in the form of infrared light pulses. Thanks to their rapid data transfer capability, they can also be used for artificial intelligence all systems of cars or drones to manage safety on construction sites and work areas and ensure fast delivery of fundamental health and public services. Is fiber optic internet better than cable internet? Of course, it's better. Knowing that is the fiber optic internet network helps us to understand their advantages over copper cable internet. The optical fibers deliver more bandwidth since they transmit data through light, which means they can carry signals at higher speeds and with the far less distortion than copper cables of the same diameter. One optical fiber can carry 90,000 television channels and 3 million voice calls. Data can fly through fiber optic networks, which can also transmit light over very long distances. These fiber optics advantages means there could be no modern high-speed internet without optical fiber. That's why cities and governments are gradually replacing copper cable network with fiber optic cable. How does the fiber optic cable works? Network works. Fiber optic networks is made up of a cable containing bundles of glass or plastic strands called optical fibers, which carry data that has been transformed into light. The light is transmitted along the fiber optic network by a laser. After having been converted by a computer into a digital data signals, light travels along the cable without leaking out by bouncing off the mirror-like walls of the glass or plastic. The structure of the cable also contributes to keeping the light from dispersing. The light beam travels down the core located at in the middle of the cable. This is wrapped with another glass layer called cladding. Now we'll discuss further about how does the optical fiber internet work. The fiber optic internet is a type of broadband internet connections that uses thin strands of glass or plastic optical fibers to transmit data as pulses of light. This technology offers significantly faster speeds and better reliability compared to traditional copper-based connections like cable or DSL. High speed. What about its high speed? Fiber optic internet can provide speeds up to 10 Gbps, gigabps and beyond, making it ideal for tasks like online gaming, streaming high definition video, and downloading large files. Lower latency, light travels very quickly through optical fibers, resulting in lower latency, that is delay between sending and receiving data compared to copper cables. Reliability, fiber optics cables are less susceptible to interference from electromagnetic signals and temperature fluctuations, leading to a more stable and reliable connections. Security. Fiber optic technology is difficult to tap into, providing a more secure connection for sensitive data. Increased bandwidth. Fiber optics cables can carry much more data than copper cables, allowing for faster speeds and more efficient data transfer. How it works? The light pulses. Data is converted into light pulses using a laser or light emitting diode through LED. What about that transmission? These light pulses travel through the optical fiber guided by a total internal reflection which keeps the light within a fiber core. Reception. At the other end, the photodiode converts the light pulses back into electrical signals. Copper versus fiber. Traditional cable and DSL internet use copper wires which can lose signal strength over distances, leading to slower speeds and potential interference. Speeds and reliability. Fiber optics internet provides consistently high speeds and reliability even over long distances, making it a superior choice for many users. Some examples of fiber optics. Verizon Fios, a popular fiber optic internet service allowed by Verizon. Google Fiber, another provider of fiber optic internet offering gigabit speeds. Airtel, a major telecom company in India that also offers fiber optic internet services. So far, we discussed about what is fiber optic internet and how does it work. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.